What's up, everybody? We are here today at 421, which is my parents' house, and we are going to prune up all this oak tree right here. And we've got a black oak that had split during a storm, and we're going to cut it down completely if we can get to it today. So anyhow, we've gone and rented a lift from Sunbelt, which is a rental place. We're gonna take this thing, throw it up here, start pruning these limbs off of these oak, off the roof, and then we're gonna head on over to the street side and get that black oak tree. So with that being said, I'm gonna bring this video to you. Parker's Landscaping. If you're in Charleston, South Carolina, this is the guy to call. Do all your tree maintenance. Parker Wright. All right, we're back at it. Parker's going back up to cut some more of that canopy off. And then we're gonna start working on the outside of this tree. We're gonna cut this canopy off here. Then we're gonna start working on this right here. Bubba. Yeah, sure. Get it all out. Hey, Parker. Right, we have finished everything over the driveway. So we're going to clean it up and we are going to start packing it up and we're going to finish the black oak tree tomorrow. Alright guys, we're making the last hoorah for the day. Parker's going to go up here and cut this one dead limb and we're going to call it. The heat index today is what? 110 degrees. Yeah, because you know what? Because we got acclimated to this heat out here. But yeah, it's just sweltering hot. So anyhow, we're gonna cut this limb right here above me, pack everything up, clean everything up, and we're gonna go tackle the black oak in the morning. So with that being said, let's get on this. All right, day number 2. Getting ready to bushwhack this oak tree right here on the house. And then we're gonna go over to the black oak tree and cut it down. Everybody's like, man, I need that thing right there. All right, see if you can get that thing out of there, Dad.
tree. Alright. Go stand in that road. Go stand in that road and block it. How is it still standing?
Do what?
Wow, look at that. Some pretty outside wood.
Oh yeah, that's them discs I was telling you about. Hey, how you doing?
Hey, how are you, Miss Betty?
That's when the lightning. What's these green things?
Yeah, I kept getting a notification saying battery's about to die.
Walnuts.
That was a walnut.
All right, boys and girls, we have got the black oak on the ground. Everything is cut, pruned, piled up on a trailer. This entire oak tree here. Everything is cut, pruned, and on the ground. They managed to come out here this morning and prune this tree here back. Those limbs were hanging out over the driveway, so that's cut back. This big oak tree behind me back here, that whole thing there is cut back. And then on the corner of the yard over there, which you just saw, was the black oak that was completely hollow, 21 feet all the way through that stump. The trunk of the tree was completely hollow. So anyhow, it's on the ground. So again, my son Parker with Parker's Landscaping and Maintenance did all the cutting and all the work when it came to that lift. When it comes to this lift, you can rent it at Sunbelt or any rental place for about 450 bucks. Pick it up on Friday, take it back Monday, keep it for a full weekend. Take care of stuff on your house, your gutters, putting up Christmas lights, you name it. Anyhow, I'm glad we got this job done. It was a 2-day job. Granted, we're not working all day today. I don't even know what time it is, but it's 100 degrees today and the heat index of 117. And today's what, July 27th, 28th? Anyhow, we're gonna call it quits. It's just entirely too hot. And we're gonna have some lunch and we're going to pack it up. So with that being said, thank you for watching. If you've liked what you've seen or you want to see more of what's going on my channel, please give me a subscription. Subscribe to the channel. It means the world to me and helps boost views. So with that being said, we'll catch you next time. Peace out.